I support the Affordable Care Act, and I think it's incredibly disappointing that the House took all the time to yet again go through the motions of repealing it. It's a good example of what's broken in Congress today, that people are taking that time when we should be moving forward. We have done a lot of work to address access to health care, but there's ongoing work to do to make sure we have an affordable health care system where everyone has access to quality care. I believe health care is not a one-bill issue. It's something we need to fight on and address every year. We need to change the metrics on how our health care system works. I support a public option because I think it's incredibly important that we have competitiveness and alternatives for people to access. And we need a system that's not based on quantity of care, but rewards quality of care and preventative care so that everyone is getting great health care at an affordable rate, and we have a system that's accessible for everyone across our country.